In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Risograph effect in Adobe Photoshop CC completely for free. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Once your picture or photo or image has been loaded, you want to go over to here, Filter, and then click Filter Gallery. You can zoom in or zoom out or adjust your image so that you can see it in Adobe Photoshop CC. But under Artistic, click the drop down arrow and click Poster Edges. The next step is to scroll down until you see Distort, and then click on Diffuse and Glow. And here are the settings. You can feel free to copy them or mess with them as you would like. And the same thing with Poster Edges. Feel free to mess around. And then once you're satisfied, click OK. The next step is that we're going to do is to go down and click the third option, or this arrow or this circle right here, and then click the second option, Gradient. This will pull up the list of gradients as you are currently seeing here on the screen. If you click down the drop down arrow, you can choose a whole list of different gradients ranging from different colors, and in this case I'm going to choose the third option. And then right here you can choose the options angle if you would like. You can even choose the style, whether it's linear, radical, angle, etc, etc. And in this case we're going to leave it under linear and then click OK. And then go under to here, Layers panel, and click the drop down arrow and mess around with the different settings that you would like. And in this case I like the setting which is overlay, but again you can mess around to whatever it is that you want. You can even change the opacity and reduce the gradient effect, as you can see, for more of the gradient effect. And in this case I'm going to have it 50%. The next step is to click on your image in Adobe Photoshop CC and then go under to Filter and then locate Noise and then add some noise. In this case you can adjust it to the amounts that you'd like, whether it's uniform or whether it's Gaussian, whether it's monochromatic or whether it's not. I like the setting, so I'm going to click OK. And then you can adjust the image as far as the brightness goes by going to Image, Adjustments, and Brightness and Contrast if you'd like. In this case I have 10 and 50. And then I'm going to go back to Adjustments, Saturation, or in Vibrance. And the final step is to go into Filter, Sharpen, Unsharpen Mask, and copy these settings here and click OK. And this is the before.
What I'm going to do is fix the tax system, for example.
And this is the after.
We have 1,000 trillionaires in America. Billionaires.
You can download this free Photoshop CC file in the link in the description. Feel free to mess around. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.